in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable snapping windows on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in multitasking. Best result should come back with multitasking settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side versus Snap Windows will automatically resize and arrange them into layouts. Toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's what you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.